This is DashboardSymbols.com. Here, we replace the dead battery in a new model Mitsubishi key fob with a fresh one. The key fob style has been in use since about 2022. We will need the help of a very small screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. We want to split the fob into its two halves, and first we'll need to remove the mechanical key. Look for the small slide lever shown on the back of the fob. Slip it to the side while pulling on the keyring, and we have the mechanical key. Look for the gap on either side of the area now visible. Use the tip of the screwdriver in one or both of the gaps to begin separating the halves. One side responded more readily than the other. Do this gently so as not to damage the plastic case. Once started, we completed the separation with the screwdriver. Note that older fobs have a single slot in the center. In one half of the fob, we see the battery with its markings down. There's one good spot to get the screwdriver underneath the battery right here. And there is our CR2032. A new one slips in easily against the two contacts. But don't forget to peel the backing off the new battery if there is one. We are using a lens cleaning cloth to keep skin oils off the battery, but be careful, the battery can be quite slippery in the cloth. If you make a final move of the finger, use the cloth to wipe it clean again. Make sure the markings are down. Snap the halves back together, starting at the bottom. And return the mechanical key. Then test the locks, and you're ready to go. For help with other keyless or push-button start cars and key fobs from this or other manufacturers, look for more videos from us here on YouTube, subscribe to this channel, or go to DashboardSymbols.com.